Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today now we are going to example number 10. Before we start, I want to say to you those who are new today, follow our previous classes to get the link in the description box. Now, example 10. Let A is the set where elements are A, E, I, O, U and B, A, B, C, D. So, what's the difference? Is these are similar or not? The question is A subset of B? Is A is subset of B? Or B is subset of A? If not, why? Let's see. The elements are A, E, I, O, U and elements of B is A, B, C, D. So here A is common, B not belongs to A. Okay. B not belongs to A. C, here is no C. So C not belongs to A. D not belongs to A. Here A, E not belongs to B. C not belongs I not belongs to B. O not belongs to B. U not belongs to B. So here is the dissimilarities between two sets. That is, now we can say that these are not subset. Okay, so we can write A is not subset of B and B is not subset of A. Clear? Now next. Next example number 11. A belongs to B. B subset of C. Now question is A subset of C? There is a question, A is A subset of C? What's the answer and why? So students, let A is a set of 1. Okay. And B is a set of as A is subset of B, that is why B is a set of 1, 2. As A is the subset of B, so A is the subset of B, that is why B is the subset. B is a set where elements, it means A and another extra 2, that is B. So this, as for A is the subset of A belongs to B. As for A belongs to B, that is why B is the set where elements are A belongs to B. It means A. And next, C is the set where A, it means A, 2 and 3. So we can now describe that A belongs to B. So here B is the set where elements are A, it means A and 2. And B is a subset of C. B is a subset. So in this set, B, it is B exists. B is one of the elements. Okay. As for B is a subset of C. That is why B exists. Here we can say that we can say A we can say A is not subset of C. Why? A is not subset of C. The whole is B. It is B. It is 1. It is B. So A is not subset of C. Clear it? If you do not understand, please comment. Okay. Again I say that here is A belongs to B and B is subset of C. So what it is? A subset of C. Students, please follow it. Let A is a set where one element 1. Okay. And B is the set where 1, that means A and another 2. As for A belongs to B, so in this set B is element as for A belongs to B. So here is also A. It means B means A 2. Understand? And C, B subset of C. B subset of C. So B subset of C, that means B and extra 3. This is the set where a part of the elements is B, that is subset. But A not subset of C. Why? It is B. It is not only 1. You cannot distinguish it separately. Understand? That is why A not subset of C. I hope you understood. Next. Look at this blackboard. Look at this board, whiteboard. An element of a set can never be a subset of itself. An element of a set An element of a set can never be a subset of itself. As you see, as before that, A is not subset of C. I described it before. Okay. So that is the point to be noted. Now next, subset of set of real numbers. That is subset of set of a real number. Numbers. Subset of set of real numbers. Think it. What is it? Now students, subsets of set of real numbers. You know before that a set of natural numbers n. Set of natural numbers is denoted by n. Okay. N is a set of natural numbers, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Infinity. Now set of integers that is denoted by, symbolized by Z. Okay. Capital Z. That is Z is equal to, integers means minus infinity and minus 3, 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next, set of rational numbers is symbolized by Q. Is a set where X is an element and X equal to P by Q in the form, and where PQ belongs to Z. That means this set of integers. Q, PQ, Q, P and Q belongs to Z. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, any one of the integers in this form, P by Q, that is symbolized the set of rational numbers. Q is a set of this. So these are the points to be noted and remember it. Next, here is an important, that is a set of irrational numbers denoted by T. Okay. Thus T irrational numbers. So T is a set where X is an element and X belongs to R. X belongs to R and X not belongs to Q. We know that Q is set of rational numbers. Q is set of rational numbers. Okay. So T is a irrational numbers. T is the irrational numbers, set of irrational numbers symbolized by T, and X is an element where X is such that X belongs to R. X belongs to R. And X not belongs to Q, where Q, we know that Q is set of rational numbers. So members of T include root 2, root 5 and pi. These are irrational numbers. Here is T is a set where the members are root 2, root 5 and pi, root 7 maybe. All the irrational numbers are the members of T. Understood? So, students clearly realize and understood all the theory of this book, then you go forward to solve all the problems. Okay. Now we can summarize subset of real numbers. We can summarize in this symbolic that n means all natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, set of all natural numbers. So set of all natural number is the subset of Z. Z means set of integers. Okay. So all natural numbers is the subset of all integers. All integers. Here is n. N means 1, 2, 3 and so on. Z means minus 1, minus infinitive, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, infinity. So n means n elements are 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here is Z is minus 2, minus 3 and also a 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So obviously n is a subset of Z. That means natural number is the subset of integers. Understand? And next, integers, set of integers, also subset of Q. So what is Q? Q is rational numbers. Q is rational numbers. So rational numbers, where we can see that rational numbers. Rational numbers means 2 by 3, minus 1 by 2, 4 by 1 and so. So clearly, students, clearly you see that natural numbers, set of natural numbers is a subset of integers. Integers, natural and minus 2, 3, 1 back of the minus. And irrational integers also subset of Q, where Q is the rational number, set of rational numbers. Okay. So Q means 2 by 3, minus 1 by 2, 4 by 1 and so on. So you can see that here is also here is minus 3 by 1. So here is all the elements are in also the elements of Q. All the elements Z, all the elements exists in these elements. Okay, we can see that here Q is the set of all minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 4 by 1, and so on. So here Z also the subset of Q. I hope you understand. That is, we can now Q subset of R. Q subset of R. Q is the subset of R. So students, Q subset of R. R means real numbers. R means real numbers, and Q means rational numbers. So why Q is subset of real numbers? Here is Q means -2, -3, -1, 0, half, 1 by 4. P by Q format, all the numbers are in the elements of set Q. And what is R? R is a real number. Real number means what is real number? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So real number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the numbers are real numbers. And Q means rational numbers. So Q subset of R. Understand? And also T subset of R. What is T? T is the irrational number. These symbols are very important and memorize it. T is a subset of R. T means irrational number, and what is R? R means real numbers. So T is the subset of R, and N not subset of T. What? Why? Here is N. N means set of natural numbers. So natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are natural numbers. Natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So N is the these natural numbers cannot root 2, root 5 subset of this set. Understood? So it is the very most important. Please repeat it again and again and memorize it. It is very helpful to you. Now it's the end of today's class. Next day we'll meet again for the class number 12. It is now 11. Okay, bye bye.